Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the camera grid step by step. First, let's activate it. Open your camera app, then navigate to the settings menu, often represented by a gear icon. Look for an option labeled Grid, Grid Lines, or Rule of Thirds, and simply tap to turn it on. This will display 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines, dividing your screen into 9 equal sections, providing an excellent starting point for better photos. Now that your grid is active, let's explore the rule of thirds, a fundamental compositional guideline. Imagine your grid lines as guides for placing your main subject. Instead of centering everything, try positioning key elements along these lines or, even better, at the 4 points where they intersect. This technique naturally draws the viewer's eye into the photograph, making your images feel more engaging and professionally composed, rather than static. Beyond the rule of thirds, the grid is invaluable for overall composition. For landscapes, align the horizon with either the top or bottom horizontal grid line, not the middle, to give more emphasis to the sky or foreground. When photographing architecture, use the vertical lines to ensure buildings appear straight and strong. This simple alignment trick prevents crooked images and adds a polished, professional feel to all your photographs, making them visually appealing. Finally, let's consider some advanced techniques. While the grid is a fantastic guide, don't be afraid to experiment. Use the lines to help frame your subject or to create symmetry, aligning elements perfectly. Occasionally, breaking the rule of thirds can create a powerful, unconventional image, especially for abstract or minimalist shots. The key is consistent practice. The more you use the grid, the more naturally you'll compose stunning photographs, even without it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.